scared of the night, always wanting the fright of your life. Oh baby, can't you see the monster screamed in your dreams? Be your monster, darling, while you're scared of sleep at night. Oh, to tell you that remember of your life. No, baby, yes, I see the monster made of mine.
Hey guys, girls and ghouls, it's your boy Razor from Razor's Twisted Exploring. I'm out with Abandoned Landscapes, cooking SAZZYS way, embedded reality. Now we've just got permission to come down here to have a look at these old tractors. So I'm just expressing that yeah, these tractors have been left, but this current site is not abandoned. So please, if you know the area, don't. But yeah. Look at these. Oh, tractors. A JCB.
Yeah, but then obviously with these kind of stuff, after so long, you can take bits, can't you?
Wow, it's proper iced up in there, in that bucket.
JCBs and tractors, man. I love them. Probably because I'll never scrap them I'll never drive one as a bearded man, I'll tell you that much. You know when anything late.
There's a couple in there as well, guys. So onwards we continue. It's incredible. Sad to see though, like they're not getting put back to use and just sadly eroding away. Get a green one. Oh, that. These have been proper buried here, haven't they? Oh, ivory that's took over that and consumed them. You just see the forks off this one. It's coming out of this huge hedge. It's crazy. Just becoming one with nature.
Yeah, so 20 it's like I don't even want to fight for it. There should be some more going further back about here. Unless this is the end point. But be careful. Stay up there.
It's just up to here.
Yeah, just extend.
Yeah.
The rest of it's all the same stuff.
Wow. Yeah, what's that touch this say?
Oh, my eye. Oh, wait, I've got X-ray vision. 1 second. When I put these glasses on, I can actually see from far away. It says, really tiny writing, mate.
No, it says all 6.
Oh, yeah, 06. That's what it says, yeah. I won't be able to see without it. That's like those kind of things.
Oh, nearly 20 years.
Yeah.
They're cool, them, aren't they?
Awesome. There's one over there as well. I don't think you spotted it. The big one.
Oh, yeah.
Big, do you see the big red one on the right?
Slightly.
Okay. Big red one down there, you see it?
That's,
Look at this. Imagine how hefty that is. I love this one. Like, if you look further into it, it's literally overtaken by a train. You might be able to get to that, you know.
Really, it's crazy how buried that is. Look, guys, there's a goat down there. Have you seen the goat? The goat. Where's he gone? Where's that bird gone? So yeah, we're just over down to the grounds where all these tractors are. Wow. Hello, bird.
Brum brum. Oh, it's mad how big they are.
The guys that might not be too keen having us around here.
Yeah, look like I said these with the
Yeah,
pot.
you'd probably change them over there, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you could change them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be for lifting the
Nice.
pallets.
The big
That.
guys with like movable skipping it. Nice and skip it. That John Deere's pretty, isn't it? John Deere. Is he American?
I've seen it on American film.
Look at the wheels, literally concave in.
Fuel tank.
Yes, and guys. Let's give you a little look in. Chain down there. Looks like this one was trying to pull this one. That blue almost looks like used for lifting pallets. Again, that's a huge front bucket, isn't it? Absolutely crazy. So there we go, guys. Amazing collection of tractors. Just going to rust and ruins, sadly. But was absolutely lovely of the owner to let us on here to check these out. We just talked to a lovely woman as well, part of the farm. Obviously she does a lot of magnet fishing, so she was very interested in what we were doing. Big shout out to a queen of magnet fishing, and thank you for coming on the Explore with us. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more content. Peace out.